Okay, so I'm starting with recording, and what we've done here is that in this time, kind of 1 to 3 in the workflow, in this workflow, I created an action called Added Customer Data. When I click, it's working again. Okay, so first what I would like to show you is the custom table in which are stored all customer data. So this is the custom table called customer, and in this table you have customer ID, name, manager, and mask. So when I click on this section, all customer IDs from this table will be visible in this radio bar. Customer ID radio bar. And when I click on any customer ID, I will see his or her name, manager, and mark. As you can see for these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, name and manager and markets are matched with one in the custom table. So I need to field the editable, so also when it is necessary when user wants to edit some of these fields, and click on submit. That will be actually edited in the custom table, as you can see here. And also,
so that is, I could say, the customer wants just to make the field with only the property of the field, right?
Yes, it's not a problem.
Yes,
okay. I can make it down.
Okay, then, sure. So what you have done is, you have created a radio button control. You have created 3 custom fields. You have created 4 custom fields, right?
Yes.
You can add 2 summary fields that you can radio button group and 3 text fields.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
I can explain to you all the modeling process from the beginning.
Yeah,
what I've done, I created a custom table. Like on setup tools, custom tables. Here I created a custom table. I put some entries here. After I done that, I go to fields and forms, and I created a new custom field called customer ID. For this custom field, I gave the name label and choose for the field type radio button. Here, for defining the values, I chose the option Use Custom Table and clicked on Define Query. Here, I defined a query that will list to me all the customer IDs from the customer table, as you can see. And here I can also test query to see did what I wrote make sense? Did that have some errors? And that's how I achieved that customer details look like this. So after I've done that, I go to the setup, workflow to created, and here I added added customer data. Here I went to form designer to define design of the action. So here's the customer ID, here's the field, manager, and market, which are marked as hidden fields. It's fine, I'm hidden, they look like this. So that means that if none of these options is selected, those 3 fields will not be visible on the screen.
Okay.
So then after I added those fields, I had to write scripts. First script that I wrote was show customer information. In that script, I was getting the value of current value of customer ID field, and also I get all the name, market, and manager fields from the form, and I try to find the entry that with all data that have desired customer ID. That have customer ID that I previously get from the form. So if I get the first customer ID, I will get that entry, and after I get desired entry in the name, manager, and market fields on the form, I put all the information that were stored in the custom table.
Perfect. Okay, I strongly think this part, I need to explain it to the way. So this is actually the event, the on-change event of the radio button. So when the radio button group value changes, you are finally triggering this event. I mean that part. So you have to use this event, but how do you know or how here we can know that this event is actually the radio button on change event. So how do we know that this is not another possible event in the screen? You know what I mean?
Yes, but for this script, it is not. For this script, it's not important. It's not important if that is radio button. It is only important for this script to know which value to get and for which value to create a desired query. So, so that's not that important. But this script will be triggered before every time before showing the form and after changing the value of this custom ID. So if I change the value of the main custom field, nothing will happen. If I change the value of customer ID, this script will be executed.
Yes. Okay, so this is a form event. Any event happening on the form, then for 1 minute, running some logic from anything into the script before also then after the changing the value of the custom field. Okay, so here on the event, can you scroll down a little bit?
It's better now?
Can you scroll down, please? Scroll down a little bit.
Okay.
So, Gerald, can you explain us the difference between form event and workflow event?
Yes. Form event scripts are the scripts that will manipulate with some objects that are located on some forms. So, for example, if you have some action form or you have some form for creating page, you can manage with form script that after, for example, changing some value or every time that you update this form, some fields will be updated or some fields will be shown or some fields will be hidden. With workflow script, you can manage that based on the some of these parameters. You can change projects, you can change projects, you can change status, you can maybe perform some other actions from workflow. So from event scripts, you are creating them if you want to make some change on form. And workflow scripts you use if you want to make some change on complete case. I don't know how much.
Okay, like for example, yeah, so like this example, so we have some example that you guys showed us yesterday regarding the uploading the file and then populating a custom table with the context of the file. I guess that that probably could even be not a workflow event, but also a form event, right? Because we are displaying the one of the workflow events, right? Because it's an action that you are doing. Okay, but here is just changing the value of anything in the form, that is a form event. Okay, I understand
Either way, I can show you example now because I also, for this section, I also write one more script, and that is the workflow script called update customer table. That script will, if user change any data for any customer, the data will be updated in the custom table. So this is the workflow script, and this script will be triggered after submitting the form, after action is performed. So in this script, I get current of I didn't get customer ID from form, but from the current case. That is different. So because when you submit the action, just return back to the edit customer data. When you submit this action, all the fields will be saved here in the case. And if you these fields are now not visible in this case, but if you put them to be visible, you will see all these selected dates or tag dates here. So after this form is submitted, all the fields start to belong to the case, to this current case.
Okay.
So.
You remember that before I told you that the routine of this case is going to be dynamically set up based on the selected customer. So what we need to do what this time want to do is to change the approver, the assigned user of this case dynamically based on the selected customer. And then they want this customer, this user, the approver, of course, to approve or reject the case. Is this something, I don't know, simple that you can show us in the remaining time in 30 minutes?
Well, I'm sure.
This is very difficult to show us now.
Well, I'm not sure that we will have enough time to present that now. So,
well, then, if you guys, you know what you can do, you don't mind, if one of these for maybe tomorrow, okay? Because maybe I can set up this. Actually, let me see. This guy from my customer, actually they need this functionality, and you guys are going to be invited to tomorrow's meeting. So why don't you try to get a test case with this functionality so we can show it to them tomorrow? Is that okay?
Okay.
In the meeting in the 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay. Well, I don't have any more questions. Anybody around? Sandeep, do you have any questions? No, that's fine. Okay, me too. Okay, guys. Then, thank you for this demo. And I think we try to create a use case for tomorrow for the 10 a.m. meeting with my customer with the functionality of, as I explained before, dynamically set the approval flow based on the selected customer. So we really need to have two approvers, the manager and the partner, based on the selected customer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much for this.
Okay, bye-bye.